Top 8 data center fortress trades dominating 2026. Digital Guardians debt-free. Most people think internet lives in the cloud. That's a lie. There is no cloud. There's a fortress.
What?
Massive concrete and steel strongholds humming with electricity, guarded 24/7, buried in the deserts, hidden in industrial zones, and sealed beyond biometric scanners and armed security. Inside those fortresses, the entire modern world. Your money, your medical records, your social media, your AI, your national defense systems. And here's the part nobody is talking about. These places are desperate for skilled trade workers, not programmers, not computer science majors drowning in student debt. I'm talking about hands-on tradesmen and tradeswomen, people who build, wire, cool, power, and protect the backbone of the internet. And many of these roles, they pay $80,000 to $120,000, even $200,000 a year plus, often without a college degree. You get paid while you learn. You stack certifications, not debt.
Give me a hell yeah!
And by 2026, these jobs are going to be some of the most secure careers on earth. I'm JV Charles. I've spent over 30 years in the skilled trades world, and on this channel, we break down real careers, real money, and real paths that don't require a 4-year degree. If you love this type of content, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll never miss our weekly videos. And hey, it's free to you and it helps us help you. So thanks so much. Today, I'm taking you inside the top 8 data center fortress trades dominating 2026. The Digital Guardians keeping civilization online. So let's get into it. Trade number 1, server rack assemblers, the internet skeleton crew. Every data center starts with steel, not code, steel. Server rack assemblers are the ones who physically build the skeleton of the internet, installing massive racks that hold thousands of servers, switches, and storage units. These racks can weigh over 2,000 pounds each, must be perfectly aligned, grounded, and anchored to survive earthquakes, power surges, and non-stop vibration. This is precision industrial work. You'll use torque wrenches, laser levels, grounding straps, and electrical bonding systems. One mistake can cause overheating, downtime, or a catastrophic failure. And downtime in a data center costs millions per minute. That's why these workers are paid so well. The pay range in 2026, you're talking about $60 to $75,000 entry level. Experienced techs earn $90 to $120,000 per year. Lead installers and supervisors, $150,000 plus. And here's how you get in. Paid apprenticeships through contractors. Manufacturing training like Dell, HPE, or Cisco. Military or industrial construction experience helps, but not required. Just skill and discipline. Trade number 2, data center electrical technicians, power or nothing. A data center without power is a dead building. Electrical technicians are the lifeline. These aren't residential electricians. This is a high voltage, mission critical electrical infrastructure you're working on, feeding thousands of servers with redundant power paths. You'll work on switch gears, bus ducts, power distribution units, PDUs, UPS systems, backup generators that could power a small city. Everything is redundant. Everything is tested consistently. Failure is not an option. This trade demands respect for electricity, attention to detail, and the ability to work under pressure. The pay range in 2026, an apprentice can make $55 to $70,000. Journeyman, $95,000 to $130,000. And a senior or lead guy, you're talking about $150K plus. The best path in, electrical apprenticeship, union or non-union, military electrical background, industrial or commercial electrical work. You get paid to learn. You gain portable skills and your job security is rock solid for 2026 and beyond. Trade number 3, cooling system engineers, fighting heat for a living. Servers hate heat. Heat kills hardware. And with AI workloads exploding, data centers now generate insane thermal loads. That's where cooling system engineers come in. This trade blends HVAC, mechanical systems, and cutting-edge technology. You'll work on chilled water plants, CRAH and CRAC units, liquid cooling systems, immersion cooling tanks, massive cooling towers. Some facilities circulate millions of gallons of water per day just to keep servers alive. And the pay range, It is incredible. You start off at 70 to 85 grand a year. Experienced engineers are 110 to 150 grand a year, and specialized cooling experts 180,000 plus. And here's the best way to break in. HVAC apprenticeships, mechanical maintenance roles, manufacturer training programs. This is one of the fastest growing trades in the entire tech infrastructure world. Trade number 4, fiber optic splicers, the internet's nerve system. No fiber, no internet. Fiber optic splicers are elite tradespersons who connect the physical lines that carry data at the speed of light. These aren't simple connections. You'll splice fibers thinner than a human hair, often inside secure data halls, using microscopes, fusion splicers, and precision tools. One bad slice can degrade signal quality across entire regions. That's why this trade is in such high demand. The pay range in 2026, entry level is $65,000 to $80,000, an experienced splicer $100,000 to $140,000 a year, and travel emergency specialists $160,000 plus. The best way to get started, short-term fiber certification programs, telecom apprenticeships, paid-on-the-job training. This is a low-barrier, high-ceiling trade and one of the smartest moves for young workers right now. Trade number 5, data center operation techs, the guardians on shift. These are the people inside the fortress 24/7. Operations technicians monitoring systems respond to alarms, swap hardware, and prevent outages before they happen. You'll work rotating shifts in highly secure environments, often with access that most employees will never get. This role rewards discipline, calm under pressure, and strong troubleshooting skills. The pay range, entry level is $70,000 to $90,000, mid-level is $100,000 to $130 grand, and senior ops leads, you're talking $150,000 to $200,000 a year. And the best path in, trade school or military experience. Internal training program certifications like CompTIA, ITF Plus, or basic networking is a perfect hybrid of hands-on work and technical problem solving. Trade number 6, fire suppression system techs, protecting billions in assets. Water destroys servers, so data centers use advanced fire suppression systems, clean agents, gas-based systems, and early smoke detection. These systems are insanely complex and heavily regulated. Fire suppression techs install, test, and maintain FM200 systems, Novec 1230s, Vesta detection pressurized cylinders, and controls. The pay range, the entry level is $60,000 to $75,000. Certified techs, $90,000 to $120,000, and if you're a specialist, you can be looking at $140,000 plus. This is a niche trade with serious long-term demand, that's for sure. Trade number 7, structural building for disaster. Data centers must survive. Earthquakes, floods, tornadoes, power grid failures. Structural techs reinforce racks, floors, and infrastructure to extreme standards. You'll install bracing systems, raised floors, vibration dampers, and anchoring solutions. The pay range in 2026 is entry level at $65,000, experienced $100,000, and specialist $130,000 a year plus. This is physical, technical work that AI cannot replace. Number 8, generator and backup power techs, the last line of defense. When the grid fails, generators take over. Backup power techs maintain massive diesel and gas generators that must start instantly. You'll test systems, simulate outages, and ensure uptime. The pay range, you're looking at $75,000 to $80,000 entry level. Experienced $110,000 to $150 grand a year, and emergency response techs are $180,000 plus. These workers are critical and get paid accordingly.
Yes.
So why are these trades so dominating in 2026? Let's make this crystal clear. AI, cloud computing, streaming, digital currency, national security, none of it works without skilled trades. While college grads compete for shrinking white-collar roles, these trades are hiring now, paying apprentices, promoting fast, and they're immune to outsourcing. This is a real future-proof workforce. So it's your move. If you're tired of student loan debt, dead-end jobs, being told success requires a degree, then pay attention. The digital world runs on steel, power, cooling, and fiber, not just code. And the people who build it, they're earning real money, living debt-free, and securing their futures. If you want more breakdowns like this, real careers, real pay, no fluff, subscribe to JV Charles TV. Drop a comment telling me which trade surprised you the most. This is JV Charles, and I'll see you in the next one.